drive shafts together. That shouldn't take too long. There's two of them, of course. Drive shafts. First thing you got to do is find all the parts. I got everything except the little couplers. AX3148. AX3148. I have every piece of plastic out of here except the bag we haven't opened yet. Read the instructions. It says bag F. Bag F. All the metal parts for the drive shaft. Bag F. Okay, so we take this piece. Then we take one of these couplers. Place it inside. Place a pin inside the coupler with the ball part of the coupler, and then slide it down inside this seating part right there, just like that. Okay, the pin goes in. This piece of plastic holds the pin in place, and that's the coupler. And inside that coupler we should have put another piece, another pin that goes inside this coupler. If you can see that. Then we got to line up all the holes and get that pin through there. Oh my gosh, I was lucky. And then put the pin holder on. And then take the long part of the drive shaft, the longer. There's four long, excuse me. There are different size pieces. One is a very bit shorter. There's a real long one. There are actually 3 different sizes. Hokey Pete. So, it says you're building 2 of these, and for some reason we have 6 shafts, and you should only have to have 4. There's 2 of them that are real short, 2 of them that are a little longer, and 2 of them that are really long. If I go by what they say here, we want 6 and 7, and I should have never taken them off of the stupid tree before I figured out which one was 6 and which one was 7. Oh my goodness. That's a sad situation. I'm sure, depending on what, I don't know. there's different sizes, different lengths for different situations. So I am going to use my own flippin' fault. Let me see if they tell you how long it is. Somewhere, since I goofed it up. They show these on a tree, so maybe, just maybe, if I find the correct picture of the tree that these were on, I'll find out which one's which. There's a mistake you don't want to make. Which tree was this? AX31114. Oh my goodness. Of course, the only picture of a tree they don't show is the one that I goof up on. Okie dokie pokey. Sway bars, battery things, whatchamacallits, roofs, and every other piece. But not the flippin' drive shafts. What a stupid move. First big mistake I've made since I started building this. Not that I don't make mistakes. Alright, we're going with our gut. And we're going to put the longest one and the shortest one. And when we get done, we'll see if it fits. If it don't, we'll change them. Yuckity yuckity yuck. Alright. So, on this first one that I'm doing, I'm going to put the long one. And we'll see what happens. These are metal again, my friends. So we will put a little dab of blue on it. Put the first one together, no problem. Then the second one, all fingers, all thumbs, trying to line everything up. Holy smokes, that is crazy. How can the first one go so good and the second one go so poorly? Okay, there. That pin goes in there. This shaft goes in here. Line those up with the hole. Line this up and then drop it. I do not believe this. There are times when you struggle in life. This is one of them. I'm not exactly sure why I'm having so much problems with this. I didn't have any problems with the last one. Okay, man. All right, one drive shaft. And I'll build the other one off camera. Okay, two drive shafts. Same length. Hopefully the right length. Again, pay attention to what you're doing. It was the first big mistake I made. Now these are a little bit shorter. Don't know if they go on. I guess it all depends on how long you have to have a drive your drive shaft. We'll find out if we did them right or not later. Alright, so that ends the drive shafts.